Hello, my name is Paul Boyd. I currently work for the Queensland Ballet Academy. I am the resident choreographer and the Academy Ballet Master.
My name is Steve Rooks. I'm a professor of dance at Vassar College, and it is an honor to be here. It's been so exciting and exemplary to see the consistent level of excitement that the students give, the faculty that just bring an enormous amount of experience.
1, 2, 3, 4. It's a fantastic summer school because you get a variety of different teachers from all different genres here.
What's been really encouraging is to see the level of growth that happens from the Monday when they arrive to the Friday when we get ready to do the presentations.
It's wonderful to impart our knowledge and our hopeful pearls of wisdom onto the next generation of dancers.